Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. It's a windy Tuesday afternoon. Samahan niyo ako sandali. Punta tayo sa Rev Point Motorsports. Doon tayo nagpa-install ng gomas nung kay Monster. Anyway, the reason for our shop visit today, kasi sabi ni Omar TV, maluwag na raw yung chain ng multistrada natin. Nagcha-chatter siya minsan sa sa stop and go, and medyo kino-complain ko sa kanya, medyo matagal na Sabi nga niya, cause nga talaga niyan is maluwag na yung chain, kaya kailangan na natin ipa-check. So yeah, as I was saying, wala tayong vlog lately kasi meron nga tayong bisitang dumating galing sa Palawan. So naging busy tayo hosting for them here in Las Vegas. Sana na-enjoy nila yung kanilang visit. Kasi pagka umuwi tayo ng Pilipinas, pagka pupunta tayo ng Palawan, yung mga family na yan yung nag-aalaga sa amin, and we invited them to come here kasi umuwi sila ng Vancouver. So napilit namin sila na bisitahin kami dito sa Vegas kahit 1 week lang. So they did. Yun nga, medyo naging busy lang kasi nag-enjoy kami ng gala at nag-food trip. So hopefully, Tito Cesar and Tita Carla, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa inyong Las Vegas visit, and sana makabalik kayo agad. Naisip ko rin na mas tama na chain loop tsaka chain adjustment tong multi bago natin ipawash kay Mr. Sarap Vlog sa Max Garage, para at least diba tapos na. We shall see. We are here, malapit na naman. Total of 3 miles from the house. Tignan natin kung meron silang time or chance na i-check. Alright, what's up boss? Sorry I didn't make an appointment.
It's all good.
I wanted to get a lube chain and chain adjustment.
Okay.
Because I kind of feel it now.
Gotcha.
And then this one, because for sure if I need to change it, I've been seeing this. You think is it only dirty or you think it's broken? The seals.
I think it's okay right now.
Okay. Because I would see a streak, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You'd see a lot more.
Okay, sounds good. I don't know if it's time to change it, but it seems like it's loose. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So hopefully you guys have time. Yes.
Obviously you keep it lubed, it's gonna help a lot. Yeah. A lot of people's problems is that they don't maintain their chains,
right, and
they just die out so fast. You just clean it and keep it lubed, it'll last a very long time. But you'll start hearing like loose ball bearing type sound in the chain, and it'll squeak and it'll stick. You'll get a kink where a couple of them will like stick like that.
Right.
So that's definitely.
So far we're okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Tinapos na adjust nga yung chain natin. Talagang maluwag nga naman siya. Yun, mas maganda nga yung pagkampi sa first gear. Hindi na siya kumalog ng gusto. Ang sunod sana natin gagawin is magpapawash tayo kay Max Garage. Kaso this weather is not looking good. And I think may appointment si Mr. Sarap ng 1:30. So it's too close. Hindi rin uubra sa schedule. Maybe talagang long overdue na yung ating chain adjustment. Everything checked out fine. Sabi niya okay pa naman daw yung condition ng chain, no need to change. Pero pinansin nga niya yung gulong natin. Sabi niya medyo may flat spot ng araw talaga yung rears natin. So nagpa-quote tayo. Hindi niya kayang kunin yung tires na gamit ni Omark TV, yung Michelin Road 6. Ang nire-recommend niya sa akin na kaya niyang kunin was the Dunlop. Binigyan niya tayo ng ballpark idea kung magkano gagastusin versus sa Dunlop tsaka sa Michelin Road 6. Para mga $150 to $200 difference din. Mas mahal yung Michelin, pero maganda yung feedback ni Omark TV dun sa Michelin. So para mas gusto kong gamitin yung gulong na yun. Sabi naman ni Danny, yung may-ari ng Rev Point, that I can just get the tires and bring it over. They can install it for me. Actually yung chain adjustment tsaka lube, hindi nga ako chine-charge kanina eh. Sabi niya they do it, you know, for free daw sa mga customers nila. Pero tinipan natin yung mekaniko syempre, kahit pa paano. He took his time and he took care of us without any appointment. Kahapon nung pauwi kami ni Omark TV, nung nasa stoplight ako, pagcambio ka ng first gear, sabi niya, dang, ang lakas ng lagapak ng chain mo ah. Sabi niya mukhang kailangan na talaga ng adjustment yan. Ngayon, so far, nung pagcambio ka ng first gear from the stop, parang nalaglag lang siya na, you know, kumambyo. Walang kalampag. So I guess matagal na talaga natin kailangan ipa-chain adjust to. Yeah, uwi na siguro tayo. Hindi na maganda tong panahon na to. Parang anytime babaksak na yung ulan. Chinek din pala nila yung ating front fork. Sabi niya hindi daw leak yun, dumi lang daw yun. I'm okay, don't worry about it. So at least, you know, yung sinilip niya yung mga pwede niyang silipin. Very convenient kasi tong shop na to sa bahay, dahil literal it's 3.5 miles away sa akin. So sobrang lapit lang. If I need anything done quick, basta meron silang pyesa, kayang gawin. Pati oil change kaya daw nilang gawin. So that's good to know. Mura lang yung oil change nila, pero yung Motul na standard na hindi siya fully synthetic eh, synthetic blend. Pero I can choose naman daw kung gusto ko yung mas mahal na oil. Wala naman daw problema yon. So subukan natin. Sabi niya kaya niya raw i-reset yung service light eh. So subukan natin magpa-oil change sa kanya, and we'll go from there. Yung shop na yun, doon nagpa-mount ng gulong si Omark TV sa hyper motard niya eh. Pati yung monster natin doon din ginawa. So tomorrow Wednesday, off si George, off ako. I think baka off din si Pogi World, and baka half day si Omark TV. Baka magkaroon tayo ng brunch ride again. Abangan nyo kung sakaling matuloy yan. Alright, and just like that, we are home. Sabi sa inyo, malapit lang eh. Pero at least na chain adjust na siya. Masama ang panahon, hindi tayo nakapag-car wash, and maybe it's not the time. So we'll wait it out. Bukas, let's ride with the boys. Let's have brunch. Mukhang sa Uncommon sa naman babalik dyan. And that's it. So we'll see you guys on the next video, I guess. Thank you for coming with me. That's it. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have